Alright, it's gonna be a little short video, but look at this Nova body. From my back distance, you can't really see it that good. Hold on. Because like everything is all pitch black. Yeah, you guys can't really see it, but it's a pretty cool Nova body, as you can see. And I did get both Johnson wheels. And yeah, so this was a little short video. And I hope you like it. Update on the dad's Nova. Took apart some things, and I think he's done. I'm not sure. Anyway, so I'll see you guys later on my computer. Go check out Cake Shed, capital C, capital S, Cake Shed, Cake, space, Shed, capital C, capital S. Alright.